Fusion solar projects. Solar made easy. Even though the cost of good quality solar components continues to reduce, solar investment could be a large expense. Let's have a look at the financing options available for solar systems.
The decisions regarding the funding of solar investment depend on many factors. Cash reserves, planned capital projects, operational costs, taxation, and many other factors comes to mind.
Since a solar project potentially provides benefits for many years to come, it might be appropriate to match the financing with the life expectancy of the solar installation. Most banks offer 3 to 10-year solar funding, subject to credit and security. Many banks consider the bill-saving cash flows, which can reduce net cash impact, but they still assess credit, production, and security risks.
For many commercial projects, PPAs are available. The investor funds, owns, and maintains the plant, while the customer pays for energy at an agreed tariff. The fee is usually less than traditional electricity costs, and no capital outlay is required upfront.
PPAs are designed to be lower than current tariffs over the term under agreed escalations, but actual savings depend on contract terms, production, and tariff movements.
The banks all have slightly different approaches, but PPAs could be structured for periods of 5, 10, 15, or even 20 years. Depending on the contractual arrangement, the ownership could transfer to the user at the end of the PPA contract period, and savings could thus last for the remaining life of the solar equipment.
With a properly designed solar system and a carefully structured PPA, businesses effectively lock in their energy spend for the period of the PPA or even longer. No capital is required up front, and savings start immediately. In addition to loans and PPAs, there are straight rental options where the service provider owns the plant and you pay a monthly fee for the electricity used or for the use of the plant. No capital outlay is required by the user, and ownership remains with the service provider for the contract term. Section 12B Capital Allowance applies to the owner of the plant, also referred to as the service provider, not the user under this rental structure. With satisfied clients all over the country and hundreds of successfully completed projects, Fusion Solar Projects has established and proven itself in the market. We have the experience and expertise to size, design, and build solar systems that can substantially impact the bottom line of any business through significant electricity cost savings. Fusion Solar Projects. Contact us today for friendly professional advice.